Stop by and take a look at the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.